In this video, we'll know about 10 worst industrial accidents in last 12 years in India.
First, Korba chimney collapse. It occurred on 23rd of September 2009 in Korba, Chhattisgarh. The chimney was under contract by Bharat Aluminium Corporation Limited, BALCO. When the construction reached 240 meters, then the chimney collapsed on top of more than 100 workers who had been taking shelter from thunderstorm. It happened during extreme weather conditions involving lightning and torrential rainfall. At 4 pm, the lightning strike brought chimney down on top of them. The chimney was for the construction of power plant by BALCO, which is owned by Vedanta Resources. Later, NIT Raipur observed that the materials were of substandard quality and technically faulty in design. NIT also concluded that there was improper water curing and the soil at the site was not up to date. Second, 2009 Jaipur fire. It occurred on 29th of October 2009. On this evening, a giant tank holding 8,000 kiloliters of petrol in Sitapura industrial area caught fire. The blaze continued to rage out of control for over a week after it started, and during that period, 500,000 people were evacuated from the area. The oil depot is about 16 kilometers, 9.9 miles south of the city of Jaipur. This incident occurred when petrol was being transferred from IOC's oil depot to a pipeline. The explosion caused shattering of glass windows nearly 3 kilometers from the accident site. So you can think of how huge this explosion was. And after this accident, Rajasthan government made a disaster management plan for Jaipur district on 17th of November, and before that there was no any disaster management plan for that district. There were many investigations, FIRs and complaints about the death, injuries, loss of property due to the negligence of IOCLs. Number 3. Shivakasi factory explosion. It occurred on 5th of September 2012 at Shivakashi, Tamil Nadu, at Om Shakti Firework Industries Complex. Before knowing about this incident, let us know about Shivakashi. Shivakashi, in southern India, is considered the firework capital of India. The town produces more than 90% of India's firework, and India is the second largest producer of firework in the world next to China. More than 700 factories in Shivakashi make approximately $360 million worth of firework every year. The Om Shakti Firework Industries Complex consisted of a single large factory unit and 48 ancillary units. The company's firework license had been suspended only days earlier for the violation of worker safety rules. Local police officials stated that factory should have been closed at the time owing to the suspension. Instead, more than 300 people were working in the facility when the explosion occurred. With the Hindu festival of Diwali only weeks away, firework producers were reportedly under pressure to maintain high production level. Petrol and Explosion Safety Organization, PESO, Government of India started investigation on 5th of September. There were 15 major violations of Explosive Rule 2008. Number 4. Visakhapatnam HPCL refinery blast. On the afternoon of 23rd of August 2013, a fire broke out in HPCL Vizag refinery. A hydrocarbon leakage had went unnoticed in one of the underground pipe to the cooling tower. When the partially completed tower was started, these leaked hydrocarbons found an ignition source and exploded. The fire caused as many as 29 fatalities and many others sustained varying degrees of burn injuries. The OISD, Oil Industry Safety Directorate, investigated the possible sequence of events and issued safety recommendations to prevent disasters of such kind in future. Number 5. 2014 GAIL pipeline explosion. It occurred on 27th of June 2014 at Nagaram, Andhra Pradesh. It happened when the fire broke out at around 5:30 a.m. in Nagarang village. The fire caused massive loss to the environment. The coconut trees, other crops, cattle, and wild birds in over 10 acres were reduced to ashes. So you can just imagine how dangerous the fire could be. Number 6. Bhilai Steel Plant Pipeline Blast. It occurred on 12th of June 2014 at Bhilai, Chhattisgarh. A breakdown in the pipe water pump caused a leak of the poisonous gas carbon monoxide CO, which infiltrated the premises due to the pressure difference along the purification chamber lines. You can see the images of the blast. Next is Kanpur ammonia gas leak. It occurred on 15th of March 2017. According to the reports, the gas leak started in the chiller plant, which led to an explosion at Katiyar cold storage. It was alleged that the capacity of the cold storage was 1 lakh sacks of potatoes, but there was more stocked, which apparently led to more pressure on gas receiver end and the gas leaked out of it. Number 8. NTPC power plant explosion. It occurred on 1st of November 2017 at Unchahar, Uttar Pradesh. The blast hit the 500 megawatt Unit 6 that had been operating since April 2017. At that time, nearly 200 workers were on duty. According to a statement from NTPC, there was a sudden abnormal sound at 20-meter elevation and there was an opening from which hot flue gases and steam were escaping, affecting the people workers around the area. Here you can see some photos. Number 9. 2019 Delhi factory fire. It occurred on 8th of December 2019 at Anaj Mandi area, Delhi. According to an eyewitness and the preliminary police investigations, an electric short circuit was the probable cause. A large amount of plastic stored in the premises led to the smoke after the fire started. The smoke caused asphyxiation and death among the residents. The building lacked a proper fire license and its use as a factory was illegal. The fire occurred at 600 square feet plot. The fire started in the second floor of the building and quickly spread to third and fourth floor where workers had been sleeping, and they were not able to escape. Number 10. Visakhapatnam gas leak. It occurred on 7th of May 2020 at LG Polymers, Visakhapatnam. The resulting vapor cloud spread over a radius of 3 kilometers, affecting the nearby villages. As per NDRF, the death toll was 11 and more than thousands people became sick after being exposed to the gas. Primary investigation concluded that accident was likely the result of insufficient maintenance of unit storing the styrene monomer, improper storage, and operation error. Nearly 200 to 250 families were evacuated from villages in 5-kilometer radius around the plant. To neutralize the gas, 500 kg of antioxidant 4-tertiary butyl alcohol was airlifted from government of Andhra Pradesh and sent to crippled factory.